Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated camera releases in recent years, the Fujifilm X-Pro4. For months, the photography world has been buzzing with speculation, leaks, and rumors surrounding this potential game-changer. But not everything you've heard is accurate. Today, we're cutting through the noise to reveal the real story behind the Fujifilm X-Pro4. Is it even real? Will it live up to the immense hype? Stick with us as we break down every crucial detail about this mysterious camera. A look back. The legacy of the X-Pro series. The Fujifilm X-Pro lineup has carved out a unique space in the market, offering a stunning blend of retro-inspired design and cutting-edge photography technology. This series has captivated photographers who crave the aesthetics of a classic rangefinder camera while embracing modern digital advancements. The Fujifilm X-Pro3, launched in 2019, was particularly noted for its hidden LCD screen, advanced film simulations, and robust titanium build, features that set it apart from other mirrorless cameras. Despite its loyal fanbase, the X-Pro3 didn't dominate the market as Fujifilm had hoped. It had a niche appeal, and its unconventional hidden LCD screen was a divisive feature. Sales figures reflected this, leading to speculation about the future of the X-Pro series. Then, rumors of a Fujifilm X-Pro4 started circulating, sparking excitement among photography enthusiasts. Would Fujifilm bring something groundbreaking to the table this time? Could this be the game-changing camera that photographers had been waiting for? The hype versus reality. What to expect from the X-Pro4? The speculation surrounding the X-Pro4 suggests it could feature a next-generation sensor, an updated hybrid viewfinder, and possibly even enhanced video capabilities to compete with the Fujifilm X-H2. Enthusiasts have been hoping for 4K recording at higher frame rates, improved autofocus performance, and a design refresh that enhances usability. However, expectations don't always align with reality, and that's where things get tricky. According to trusted Fujifilm insiders, the X-Pro4 is unlikely to make an appearance before late 2025. Fujifilm's internal roadmap has indicated a shift in focus towards higher-end camera lines like the GFX medium format series and the X-H2 lineup. This suggests that the APS-C market might not see major innovations soon. If the X-Pro4 does eventually launch, industry insiders suggest it might use the same 40MP X-Trans 5 HR sensor and X-Processor 5 found in the X-H2. While this is still a powerful combination, it won't be revolutionary by the time the X-Pro4 arrives, especially considering that this technology was first introduced in 2022. By the time the X-Pro4 lands on shelves, the market will have moved forward, and many competing cameras could outshine it in terms of performance and features. Fujifilm's current strategy. Where does the X-Pro4 fit in? Fujifilm has been prioritizing innovation in other areas. The X-H2S, with its stacked sensor and exceptional video capabilities, has set a new benchmark for hybrid shooters. The X100V, a compact yet powerful rangefinder-style camera, has also gained massive popularity, especially among street photographers and travel bloggers. If you're looking for something truly cutting-edge, Fujifilm's medium-format GFX series is pushing boundaries in dynamic range, color depth, and resolution. Given Fujifilm's current strategy, the X-Pro4, if it does arrive, might not be the revolutionary upgrade that many photographers had hoped for. Instead, it could be a refinement of the X-Pro3, bringing modest improvements rather than a complete overhaul. Key features the X-Pro4 might include. While the final specs remain uncertain, here's a realistic look at what the Fujifilm X-Pro4 could offer. 40MP X-Trans 5 HR sensor. The same sensor as the X-H2, delivering stunning detail and resolution. X-Processor 5. Faster processing for improved autofocus speed and image quality. Enhanced hybrid viewfinder, possibly featuring an improved OLED display for sharper visuals. 4K video at 60 frames per second. A significant upgrade over the X-Pro3's limited video features. New film simulations. Fujifilm may introduce new film simulation modes to enhance creative options. Refined design. A more ergonomic build while maintaining the retro aesthetics that define the X-Pro series. Improved battery life. Leveraging new power-efficient technologies for longer shooting sessions. Better connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, faster file transfers, and improved remote shooting options. Should you wait for the X-Pro4 or look elsewhere? If you're a die-hard X Pro series fan, you might be willing to wait for this potential release. However, if you need a new camera right now, there are plenty of excellent Fujifilm options available. Fujifilm X-H2S, a hybrid shooter's dream with fast autofocus, incredible video capabilities, and a stacked sensor. Fujifilm X-T5, a versatile APS-C camera with excellent stills performance. Fujifilm X100V, a compact yet powerful rangefinder that remains a favorite among street photographers. Fujifilm GFX100S. If you want to step into the medium format world, this camera is a powerhouse. Final thoughts. Is the X-Pro4 worth the hype? The Fujifilm X-Pro4 is undoubtedly one of the most anticipated cameras in the mirrorless world. However, expectations need to be tempered. While it may bring incremental improvements, it is unlikely to be a groundbreaking leap in camera technology. Fujifilm's focus on other high-end lines suggests that the X-Pro4 will be more of an evolution rather than a revolution. What are your thoughts on the Fujifilm X-Pro4? Are you excited about its potential release, or do you think Fujifilm should focus on other camera lines? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Techno Trend Zone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.